is a video reviewer for the ITIL 4 Foundation Certification exam. There are 20 questions featured in this reviewer. All questions are modeled on actual questions that appeared on previous ITIL 4 Foundation Certification exams. ITIL, of course, stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. The following questions cover core ITIL concepts, including the service value system, the 4 dimensions of service management, and key ITIL principles and practices. These questions should help you familiarize yourself with ITIL concepts in preparation for the foundation exam. By understanding the answers and explanations to these questions, you should be able to build a solid foundation for applying ITIL principles in real-world scenarios. Before you proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to Review Central and click the bell icon to make sure you are notified of all new reviewers and other important updates. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the purpose of the service desk practice? A. To ensure services are available as required. B. To reduce the likelihood and impact of incidents. C. To monitor and manage events in the IT environment. D. To capture demand for incident resolution and service requests. The correct answer is D. The service desk practice in ITIL 4 Foundation exists to provide a single point of contact between users and the IT organization. Its primary purpose is to capture and manage demand for incident resolution and service requests, ensuring that users can quickly receive assistance and that disruptions to business operations are minimized. By facilitating communication, coordinating issue resolution, and addressing user needs effectively, the service desk enhances user satisfaction and supports the organization's IT service delivery goals. Question number 2. Which of the following is one of the 4 dimensions of service management? A. Processes and procedures. B. Partners and suppliers. C. Value streams and outcomes. D. Organizational structures. The correct answer is B. Partners and suppliers. In ITIL 4 Foundation, partners and suppliers is one of the 4 critical dimensions of service management. The other 3 are organizations and people, information and technology, and value streams and processes. This dimension focuses on the importance of external entities, such as vendors, service providers, and business partners, in delivering value through IT services. It emphasizes collaboration and effective management of these relationships to achieve organizational goals. The key aspects of the partners and suppliers dimension are 1. Role in service delivery. Partners and suppliers contribute resources, expertise, or services that complement an organization's capabilities. They can be integral to creating, delivering, and improving IT services. 2. Supplier management. Effective supplier management ensures that agreements align with the organization's objectives, ensuring cost efficiency, reliability, and quality. 3. Strategic relationships. The dimension highlights the need to build strong, collaborative partnerships that can drive innovation and improve service outcomes. 4. Dependency management. It considers risks and dependencies associated with relying on external parties, ensuring these are properly managed to maintain service continuity. By managing the partners and suppliers dimension effectively, organizations can optimize external contributions, reduce risks, and enhance the overall value delivered to their stakeholders. Question number 3. What is the Service Value System, or SVS? A. A set of rules for implementing ITIL practices. B. A model that outlines how all components and activities in an organization work together to create value. C. A specific ITIL practice focused on service availability. D. A checklist for assessing the quality of IT services. The correct answer is B. The Service Value System, or SVS, is a model that outlines how all components and activities in an organization work together to create value. The ITIL service value system represents a framework that integrates various components and activities of service management to ensure that IT services deliver value in alignment with organizational goals. It emphasizes a holistic and cohesive approach to creating value collaboratively with customers and stakeholders. Here are the key points of the ITIL service value system. 1. Holistic approach. The SVS incorporates all aspects of service management, including governance, guiding principles, continual improvement, practices, and the service value chain, ensuring they work together seamlessly. 2. Co-creation of value. Rather than viewing value creation as one-sided, the SVS emphasizes collaboration between the service provider and customers. It ensures that services meet customer needs while supporting organizational objectives. 3. Flexibility and integration. The SVS adapts to different organizational contexts and integrates components like guiding principles and practices to foster consistency, efficiency, and innovation. 4. Focus on outcomes. The SVS prioritizes delivering outcomes that matter to the customer, emphasizing the importance of continual improvement and feedback to enhance services and achieve desired results. In summary, the SVS provides a unified structure where all elements of service management interact effectively, enabling organizations to deliver high-quality services and achieve strategic objectives. Question number 4. What is continual improvement in ITIL? A. An ongoing effort to improve services, processes, and practices. B. A practice for ensuring services are available as required. C. An activity performed only when incidents occur. D. A response to regulatory requirements. The correct answer is A. In ITIL, continual improvement is an ongoing effort to improve services, processes, and practices. Continual improvement is a key ITIL practice that ensures ongoing assessment and enhancement of services, aligning them with changing business needs and improving overall performance. This highlights the importance of continual improvement as a foundational practice in ITIL that focuses on the consistent enhancement of services and processes to adapt to evolving business demands and achieve better outcomes. Here are the key points of continual improvement as a key ITIL practice. 1. Ongoing assessment. Continual improvement involves regularly evaluating current services, processes, and performance metrics to identify gaps, inefficiencies, or areas for enhancement. 2. Adaptation to business needs. It ensures that IT services remain aligned with the changing goals, priorities, and expectations of the organization, maintaining relevance and value delivery. 3. Structured approach. ITIL provides tools such as the Continual Improvement Mod, which guides organizations through a cycle of identifying, prioritizing, planning, and implementing improvements. 4. Enhance performance and value. By fostering a culture of improvement, this practice helps optimize performance, reduce costs, increase customer satisfaction, and support organizational growth. In essence, continual improvement is about making incremental and iterative enhancements that ensure IT services evolve in step with business changes, delivering consistent value and supporting long-term success. Question number 5. Which guiding principle recommends that an organization should start with what they have? A. Focus on value. B. Start where you are. C. Progress iteratively with feedback. D. Keep it simple and practical. The correct answer is B. Start where you are. The ITIL 4 guiding principle Start Where You Are emphasizes the importance of assessing and utilizing existing resources, processes, and knowledge before pursuing changes or improvements. This approach encourages efficiency and minimizes waste by building on what is already available. The key points of the Start Where You Are guiding principle are: 1. Avoiding unnecessary work. By analyzing current practices and resources, organizations can identify what is already working well and avoid redundant efforts or starting from scratch unnecessarily. 2. Leveraging existing knowledge. The principle promotes making informed decisions based on accurate data and insights from current operations, ensuring improvements are rooted in a solid understanding of the present state. 3. Efficient use of resources. Reusing and optimizing existing tools, processes, and expertise reduces costs, time, and effort while maximizing the value of current investments. 4. Incremental improvement. It aligns with the iterative approach of continual improvement, enabling organizations to make small, manageable changes while preserving valuable aspects of the current setup. In summary, Start Where You Are fosters a pragmatic, resource-conscious mindset that helps organizations build on their strengths, optimize existing assets, and achieve meaningful progress without unnecessary disruption. Question number 6. Which ITIL practice has the purpose of aligning the organization's practices and services with changing business needs through the ongoing improvement of products, services, and practices? A. Problem management. B. Incident management. C. Continual improvement. D. Service desk. The correct answer is C. Continual improvement. If you paid close attention to the earlier questions, then you recall that continual improvement was already covered and discussed at length in question number 4, and you should have no trouble answering this question correctly. This question underscores the role of continual improvement in ensuring that IT services remain relevant and effective in meeting the changing requirements of the business. It emphasizes that this practice is essential for adapting services to new challenges, opportunities, and business priorities. Once again, here are the key points of continual improvement as a key ITIL practice. 1. Ongoing assessment. Continual improvement involves regularly evaluating current services, processes, and performance metrics to identify gaps, inefficiencies, or areas for enhancement. 2. Adaptation to business needs. It ensures that IT services remain aligned with the changing goals, priorities, and expectations of the organization, maintaining relevance and value delivery. 3. Structured approach. ITIL provides tools such as the Continual Improvement Mod, which guides organizations through a cycle of identifying, prioritizing, planning, and implementing improvements. 4. Enhance performance and value. By fostering a culture of improvement, this practice helps optimize performance, reduce costs, increase customer satisfaction, and support organizational growth. In summary, continual improvement is an ongoing cycle of assessments and enhancements, ensuring that IT services are continuously aligned with and responsive to evolving business goals, thereby sustaining value over time. In summary, continual improvement is an ongoing cycle of assessments and enhancements, ensuring that IT services are continuously aligned with and responsive to evolving business goals, thereby sustaining value over time. Question number 7. What is a key benefit of the Optimize and Automate guiding principle? A. It only applies to large organizations. B. It reduces human error by automating all manual tasks. C. It focuses on only the technology aspect of the service. D. It improves efficiency by streamlining processes and removing waste. The correct answer is D. It improves efficiency by streamlining processes and removing waste. The Optimize and Automate principle in ITIL focuses on improving efficiency by refining existing processes and automating tasks that are repetitive or time-consuming. The goal is to streamline operations, reduce manual effort, and make better use of available resources. The key points of the Optimize and Automate principle in ITIL are: 1. Optimize processes. This involves analyzing and improving workflows to eliminate inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or unnecessary steps. By optimizing processes, organizations can reduce waste, enhance performance, and deliver faster, more reliable services. 2. Automate repetitive tasks. Automation is used to handle tasks that are routine or repetitive, for example, system monitoring, data entry, or service provisioning. This reduces the risk of human error and frees up staff to focus on more strategic, value-added activities. 3. Enhance efficiency. By optimizing processes and automating tasks, organizations can reduce operational costs, improve response times, and increase the overall quality of service. 4. Free up resources. Automation and process optimization allow human resources to be redeployed to higher value activities, fostering innovation and enabling teams to focus on complex or strategic work. In summary, the optimize and automate principle helps organizations achieve greater efficiency, effectiveness, and scalability by refining existing processes and leveraging automation, ultimately delivering more value while minimizing resource consumption. Question number 8. Which ITIL practice is responsible for analyzing incidents to identify underlying causes? A. Problem management. B. Incident management. C. Change enablement. D. Service request management. The correct answer is A. Problem management. In ITIL, problem management focuses on identifying and addressing the underlying causes of incidents to enhance service reliability and prevent future disruptions. Here are the key points of ITIL's problem management practice. 1. Root cause analysis. Problem management goes beyond resolving individual incidents by investigating their root causes, ensuring that the fundamental issue is identified and understood. 2. Prevention of recurrence. By addressing root causes, problem management implements solutions or workarounds to prevent similar incidents from occurring again, reducing downtime and disruption. 3. Proactive improvement. It includes proactive measures to identify potential problems before they result in incidents, thereby improving service stability and reliability. 4. Enhanced service quality. By reducing the frequency and impact of incidents, problem management contributes to higher service availability and better overall user satisfaction. In summary, problem management is a crucial ITIL practice that systematically investigates issues to eliminate their causes, helping organizations maintain high service quality and minimize operational risks. Question number 9. What does progress iteratively with feedback encourage organizations to do? A. Complete all projects in a single phase. B. Implement changes immediately without evaluation. C. Improve incrementally with feedback at each stage. D. Ignore feedback during testing. The correct answer is C. Improve incrementally with feedback at each stage. This principle advises small, manageable steps that include feedback to adjust and improve at each phase, ensuring flexibility and effectiveness. The progress iteratively with feedback principle in ITIL 4 emphasizes achieving improvements in manageable, incremental steps rather than attempting to make large-scale changes all at once. It also highlights the importance of leveraging feedback at each step to refine and enhance the process. Here are the key points of this ITIL 4 principle. 1. Iterative progress. Instead of tackling everything at once, this principle advocates for breaking down tasks or changes into smaller, manageable stages. This reduces risks and allows for faster delivery of value. 2. Continuous feedback. Feedback from stakeholders, users, and data sources is gathered after each iteration. This ensures that each step aligns with objectives and provides opportunities to address issues early. 3. Flexibility and adaptability. By progressing in smaller increments, organizations can adapt to changing circumstances or requirements without disrupting the entire initiative. 4. Focus on value. Iterative progress allows organizations to deliver value more quickly and consistently, ensuring tangible results with each iteration. In summary, progress iteratively with feedback encourages a step-by-step approach that incorporates feedback to enhance decision-making, improve outcomes, and maintain alignment with business goals. Question number 10. What is the main purpose of the incident management practice? A. To investigate and resolve problems. B. To manage access requests to services. C. To coordinate the deployment of new services. D. To minimize the impact of incidents by restoring normal operations as quickly as possible. The correct answer is D. To minimize the impact of incidents by restoring normal operations as quickly as possible. The incident management practice in ITIL 4 focuses on effectively managing and resolving incidents to restore normal service operations as quickly as possible, minimizing disruption to the business. Here are the key points of the incident management practice in ITIL 4. 1. Definition of incident. An incident is an unplanned interruption or reduction in the quality of an IT service. The goal of incident management is to address these issues promptly. 2. Primary objective. The practice aims to restore service to normal operation levels, as defined by Service Level Agreements or SLAs, with minimal impact on users and the business. 3. Standardized process. Incident management involves a structured process for logging, categorizing, prioritizing, investigating, and resolving incidents, ensuring consistency and efficiency. 4. Focus on resolution. The practice prioritizes restoring functionality quickly, even if the root cause of the incident is not immediately addressed. The latter is typically handled by problem management. 5. Enhancing user experience. By minimizing downtime and disruptions, incident management improves user satisfaction and helps maintain trust in IT services. In summary, incident management is a critical ITIL practice designed to ensure swift and efficient responses to service interruptions, focusing on maintaining business continuity and minimizing impact. In summary, incident management is a critical ITIL practice designed to ensure swift and efficient responses to service interruptions, focusing on maintaining business continuity and minimizing impact. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a component of the ITIL service value system? A. Governance. B. Service value chain. C. Service management plan. D. Practices. The correct answer is C. Service management plan. The service value system includes governance, the service value chain, guiding principles, practices, and continual improvement. Service management plan is not a component. The Service Value System, or SVS, in ITIL 4 provides a framework that integrates key components of service management to enable organizations to co-create value with stakeholders. It ensures that all elements work cohesively toward achieving business objectives. Let's briefly expound on each of the components of the Service Value System. 1. Guiding principles. A set of universal recommendations that guide organizations in all circumstances, regardless of changes in goals, strategies, or management structures. Examples include focus on value and start where you are. 2. Governance. The mechanisms by which the organization is directed and controlled. Governance ensures that policies, decisions, and actions align with organizational objectives and stakeholder needs. 3. Service value chain. The central element of the SVS, it represents the core activities needed to deliver valuable outcomes. The service value chain includes activities such as plan, improve, engage, design and transition, obtain/build, and deliver and support. 4. Practices. The structured sets of organizational resources designed to perform work or accomplish an objective. ITIL 4 includes 34 practices, such as incident management, change enablement, and continual improvement. 5. Continual improvement. A dedicated component focusing on assessing and enhancing services, processes, and performance over time. It ensures the SVS evolves in alignment with changing business needs and objectives. These components work together within the SVS to ensure organizations can design, deliver, and improve IT services effectively, promoting value co-creation while maintaining flexibility and resilience. Question number 12. What is the purpose of the change enablement practice? A. To ensure incidents are resolved as quickly as possible. B. To manage all changes to minimize impact on services. C. To fulfill service requests from users. D. To analyze the root cause of problems. The correct answer is B. To manage all changes to minimize impact on services. The change enablement practice in ITIL 4 focuses on managing changes to IT services, systems, or processes in a controlled and efficient manner. The goal is to ensure that changes are implemented successfully with minimal risk and disruption to the business. Here are the key points of the change enablement practice in ITIL 4. 1. Definition of change. A change is any addition, modification, or removal of anything that could affect IT services. Changes can be standard, pre-authorized, normal, requiring evaluation and approval, or emergency, requiring expedited handling. 2. Purpose. The change enablement practice ensures that changes are assessed, authorized, and implemented in a way that balances risk and benefits. This minimizes negative impacts on service availability and quality. 3. Risk management. A critical aspect of this practice is evaluating the potential risks and impacts of changes before implementation, ensuring they align with organizational objectives. 4. Coordination and communication. Change enablement facilitates communication among stakeholders, ensuring they are informed and prepared for the change. 5. Integration with other practices. It works closely with practices like incident management and problem management to ensure seamless operations during and after changes. To sum it up, the change enablement practice provides a structured approach to implementing changes safely and effectively, reducing risks while supporting the organization's goals for innovation and improvement. Question number 13. What are value streams? A. Value flows from suppliers to customers. B. Guidelines that focus on process optimization. C. Steps that take a service from concept to retirement. D. A series of steps that an organization uses to create and deliver products and services to consumers. The correct answer is D. In ITIL 4, value streams represent the series of steps and activities an organization undertakes to create and deliver value to its stakeholders. They provide a structured way to define how value is co-created through services and how resources are used to achieve specific outcomes. Here are the key points of value streams in ITIL 4. 1. Focus on value creation. Value streams are designed to align with customer needs and business objectives, ensuring every activity contributes to delivering value. 2. End-to-end view. They provide a holistic perspective of the workflows, processes, and interactions required to deliver a service, from demand to value realization. 3. Integration of practices. A value stream integrates ITIL practices, tools, and resources, showing how they work together to achieve desired results. 4. Efficiency and optimization. By mapping and analyzing value streams, organizations can identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement, leading to optimized operations and better service delivery. 5. Support for agile and lean approaches. Value streams align well with methodologies like Agile and Lean, which emphasize iterative improvements and delivering value efficiently. In summary, value streams in ITIL 4 help organizations visualize and optimize the path from demand to value delivery, ensuring all activities are purpose-driven and contribute to achieving the desired outcomes for stakeholders. Question number 14. Which ITIL practice includes the classification, ownership, and actioning of service requests and incidents? A. Change enablement. B. Service desk. C. Problem management. D. Continual improvement. The correct answer is B. The service desk is responsible for handling service requests and incidents, ensuring efficient resolution and user support. The service desk practice in ITIL 4 serves as the primary point of contact between the organization and its users, ensuring effective communication, resolution of issues, and handling of service requests. It is designed to enhance user experience and maintain the reliability of IT services. Here are the key points of the service desk practice in ITIL 4. 1. Single point of contact. The service desk provides a centralized channel for users to report incidents, request services, or seek assistance, promoting streamlined communication. 2. Incident resolution and request fulfillment. It focuses on quickly resolving incidents and fulfilling service requests to minimize disruption and restore normal operations. 3. User experience focus. By offering a responsive and efficient interface for IT support, the service desk improves user satisfaction and confidence in IT services. 4. Coordination with other practices. The service desk collaborates with practices like incident management, problem management, and change enablement to ensure seamless service delivery and support. 5. Modern adaptations. ITIL 4 emphasizes using modern tools, such as self-service portals, automated chatbots, and omnichannel communication, to enhance accessibility and efficiency. To summarize, the service desk practice ensures users receive prompt and effective support, acting as the bridge between IT services and the people who rely on them, ultimately improving service quality and organizational productivity. Question number 15. In the context of the ITIL 4 foundation, which is not a guiding principle? A. Focus on value. B. Use best practices. C. Optimize and automate. D. Progress iteratively with feedback. Answer choice B, use best practices, is not among the guiding principles in ITIL 4 and is, therefore, the correct answer. The principles are: 1. Focus on value. 2. Start where you are. 3. Progress iteratively with feedback. 4. Collaborate and promote visibility. 5. Think and work holistically. 6. Keep it simple and practical. And 7. Optimize and automate. Question number 16. What does the collaborate and promote visibility guiding principle emphasize? A. Building shared understanding and transparency across all stakeholders. B. Keeping communication channels open within teams only. C. Limiting access to information based on hierarchy. D. Documenting every single process in detail. The correct answer is A. The collaborate and promote visibility guiding principle in ITIL 4 emphasizes the importance of fostering teamwork, transparency, and shared understanding across all stakeholders to ensure effective decision-making and successful outcomes. Here are the key points of this principle. 1. Collaboration. The principle encourages working together across teams, departments, and organizations. It also promotes diverse perspectives and expertise, which lead to better solutions and innovation. 2. Promoting visibility. The principle ensures that information is shared openly and transparently. This helps stakeholders understand workflows, progress, challenges, and decision-making processes. 3. Avoiding silos. The collaborate and promote visibility principle breaks down barriers between teams to prevent miscommunication and inefficiency. It supports a culture of trust and alignment toward common goals. 4. Improved decision-making. Transparency and collaboration ensure that decisions are informed, accurate, and timely, based on shared data and mutual understanding. 5. Faster problem resolution. Collaboration and visibility help identify and resolve issues more effectively by bringing the right people and information together. To summarize, the collaborate and promote visibility principle underscores the value of teamwork and transparency in achieving organizational goals, building trust, and ensuring that all efforts contribute to the efficient delivery of services and value. Question number 17. What is the purpose of the information security management practice in ITIL? A. To provide a centralized point for managing all requests. B. To ensure that the organization's information security measures are in line with its needs. C. To prevent and resolve incidents that affect security. D. To assist in the onboarding of new users. The correct answer is B. The purpose of the information security management practice in ITIL 4 is to ensure that the organization's information is protected against risks such as unauthorized access, breaches, loss, and damage. It aims to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information to support business needs. The key points of ITIL's information security management practice are: 1. Confidentiality. This practice ensures that information is accessible only to authorized individuals and systems. 2. Integrity. The practice protects information from being altered, ensuring its accuracy and reliability. 3. Availability. The information security management practice ensures that information is accessible when needed to support business operations and decision-making. 4. Risk management. It identifies potential threats to information security and implements measures to mitigate or eliminate those risks. 5. Alignment with business needs. Security measures are designed to support the organization's goals, balancing risk reduction with operational efficiency. 6. Regulatory compliance. The practice ensures adherence to legal, regulatory, and contractual security requirements. In summary, the information security management practice safeguards an organization's information assets, enabling the secure and reliable operation of IT services while supporting business continuity and stakeholder trust. Question number 18. Which of the following does the focus on value principle apply to? A. Only service providers. B. Only service users. C. Only IT staff. D. All stakeholders. The correct answer is D. All stakeholders. In ITIL 4, the focus on value principle emphasizes that all activities and decisions should create value for stakeholders, including customers, users, and the organization itself. The principle ensures that value is central to service management practices and applies universally to all stakeholders involved. The key points of the focus on value principle are: 1. Understanding stakeholders' needs. Recognize that different stakeholders perceive value differently. For example, customers may value cost efficiency, while users prioritize ease of use. 2. Holistic value creation. Value creation isn't limited to customers, it extends to employees, partners, suppliers, and the organization by improving processes, enhancing experiences, and achieving goals. 3. Alignment with objectives. The principle ensures that activities align with stakeholder priorities and contribute directly to their desired outcomes, avoiding unnecessary work. 4. Continuous reassessment. Stakeholder needs evolve over time. Regularly reassessing and adapting to these changes ensures ongoing relevance and value delivery. 5. Integration across the value chain. All elements of the service value chain and practices must work together to deliver outcomes that meet stakeholder expectations. To sum it up, the focus on value principle ensures that all stakeholders' perspectives and priorities are considered, aligning actions with their expectations to deliver meaningful and measurable benefits. This fosters collaboration, satisfaction, and success across the organization. Question number 19. What is the key objective of the service level management practice? A. To minimize incident frequency. B. To set up service agreements between the organization and customers. C. To optimize service costs. D. To manage information security incidents. The correct answer is B. Service level management is responsible for establishing and managing service level agreements, or SLAs, with customers, ensuring service quality meets agreed upon expectations. The key objective of the service level management practice in ITIL 4 is to ensure that the organization's services meet agreed performance levels and expectations by defining, documenting, and managing service level agreements, or SLAs, and other related service targets. Here are the key points of the service level management practice. 1. Establishing SLAs. Collaborates with customers and stakeholders to define clear, measurable, and achievable service targets. These agreements form the basis for monitoring and evaluating service performance. 2. Monitoring and reporting. Continuously monitors service performance against defined targets. Provides regular reports to stakeholders to ensure transparency and alignment with expectations. 3. Proactive communication. Maintains open communication with customers to address changing needs, resolve concerns, and ensure mutual understanding of service quality. 4. Continuous improvement. Analyzes performance data to identify areas for improvement, ensuring services remain aligned with evolving business objectives and stakeholder requirements. 5. Customer focus. Acts as a bridge between the service provider and the customer, ensuring that services contribute value and meet agreed standards. To sum it up, the service level management practice ensures that service performance aligns with customer expectations and organizational goals, fostering trust and satisfaction through transparent agreements, monitoring, and continuous improvement. Question number 20. What does the Keep It Simple and Practical guiding principle advocate? A. Doing only what is necessary to meet objectives. B. Avoiding change if the process works well. C. Ignoring feedback to avoid distractions. D. Using complex documentation to ensure thorough understanding. The correct answer is A. This principle advises against overcomplicating processes and encourages focusing on the minimum steps necessary to achieve desired outcomes effectively. The Keep It Simple and Practical principle in ITIL 4 emphasizes the importance of avoiding unnecessary complexity by focusing on doing only what is necessary to meet objectives effectively. This approach ensures efficiency and clarity while minimizing waste and confusion. Here are the key points of this ITIL 4 guiding principle. 1. Focus on objectives. Every action, process, or tool should directly contribute to achieving defined goals. If something doesn't add value or is redundant, it should be eliminated. 2. Avoid overcomplication. Complex processes and excessive steps can lead to inefficiencies, errors, and delays. Simplicity promotes ease of understanding, implementation, and management. 3. Resource optimization. By keeping solutions practical, organizations can optimize time, effort, and resources, avoiding unnecessary costs or efforts that don't contribute to desired outcomes. 4. Flexibility and agility. Simple, streamlined processes are easier to adapt to changes, making the organization more responsive to evolving needs or challenges. 5. User-centric design. Solutions should be intuitive and straightforward for users, ensuring higher adoption rates and satisfaction. And to summarize, the Keep It Simple and Practical principle advocates focusing on essential actions and solutions that directly support objectives, avoiding unnecessary complexity to enhance efficiency, effectiveness, and adaptability. You have just watched an ITIL 4 Foundation Certification Exam Reviewer, featuring questions that cover core ITIL concepts, including the service value system, the 4 dimensions of service management, and key ITIL principles and practices. Check out more related review videos and playlists on our channel. If you find this useful, please like and share. Leave a comment to share your thoughts or questions regarding this reviewer or any particular part of it. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to Review Central and click the bell button to get notified of all future reviewers and updates. Like and follow us on your favorite social media platforms. Good luck to your forthcoming ITIL 4 Foundation Certification exam, and we look forward to your long and fulfilling career in information technology and/or business process outsourcing.